Hi guys, in Jülich dorm. You can see here actually an incredible way here between Jülich to Linnich, and today is actually weather very beautiful. Oh, what is this? What's this? I don't know actually. It was very beautiful. No, I think many of these birds live in these trees you can see here, and they are very beautiful. Just see it. Just see it. It's very beautiful. I don't know actually. It's angel, I don't know. Just see it. What's this? I don't know. I think he's for him it's not acceptable that I'm here, you know. He feels danger in my presence here, and I think I have to live here, you know. He has, I think, kids, and he feels in danger here in my presence. Okay guy, bye. But he's very beautiful. Just see it. It's very beautiful. Come on guy, come here. It's incredible, you know. Guy, I'm not your enemy. I'm your friend. Believe me. I'm your friend. I just looking here. Just running here, guy. It's beautiful. It was beautiful actually. It's incredible. Fascinating. I hope I can see here actually deers, you know. The deers here are very beautiful. Very beautiful, you know. They have I don't know, white grau color, and they are not too big, but very beautiful. Just look at this view. I love the nature, man. I love the nature in Germany, you know. It's incredible nature. Now in my country, Afghanistan, there is very beautiful you know, place to go, but here is very green, too much green, you know. I can't describe this feel, this you know, this words. It is very beautiful. Okay guys, see you at the next week. I have to run. I don't know the rest of this way, about 6 kilometers, 10 kilometers or 11 kilometers, I don't know actually, but I'll see you guys. Bye.